My name is Danielle, also known as Miss Happy Housewife, and today I want to talk about our basic weekly plan. And I'm not sure why you're in the refrigerator, but I have a feeling it's because of what we're going to do today. So let's get started. So we've heard about the weekly home blessing. What I've done is I've actually broken all of those different tasks out into different days of the week. We do have a basic weekly plan, and that is certain things that we do every single week that is to help the household keep running. I'm going to go through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday today, and we'll keep going throughout the rest of this week, and we'll add on to that weekly plan. I'm gonna grab some tea and let's sit down and chat. Up to this point, we have learned all of our daily tasks. Those are our routines. That's what's kind of keeping our house in order. We also learned about our weekly home blessing. If you want to go and catch it from the very beginning, then I will go ahead and put a link up there for you, and that way you can get started with us. We've put some of that inside of our control journal. What we're going to do now is we're going to be talking about what our basic weekly plan is. And I'm trying to find my pen. Got it. Our basic weekly plan. On Monday, we're going to change the sheets and we're going to decorate in the current zone. We'll be learning all about zones shortly, so don't worry. On Tuesdays, we are going to plan what our dinner menu is going to be for the next week, not the one we're currently in, the next week. We're also going to take out all the garbage. That brings us to today. So today for me is Wednesday, and that's when this video will be going out. So on Wednesday, we're going to have an anti-procrastination day. This is what Fly Lady has as well. What we're going to do is we're going to try to do something that we've been putting off. And I also have here, we're going to clean out the fridge. And that's something that I don't know when the last time you did it was, but I know there's some things that definitely needs to get thrown away. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some of these inside of the control journal, and then we'll go ahead and we'll actually take a look inside the fridge. So I love my kitchen, but I have a small problem, and that is here how much space is between my refrigerator and my counter. So I can't really put my trash can there and really get in and do stuff. So what I'm having to do is actually take the bag out and kind of put it off to the side here, try to go and move stuff there. But my big tip is you want to make sure that you have your trash can really close to your refrigerator so it's easy for you just to grab it and put it inside the garbage. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Till the morning light, before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy, or would you stay with me?
Now that everything is decluttered from our refrigerator, now I'm going to go in there and I'm going to wipe it down with the Clorox wipes.
Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, 'cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light?
Yes, I know that it doesn't look like there's hardly any food inside my refrigerator, and that's because, well, There's not. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to be going grocery shopping. And if you think about your refrigerator, how much of the food that's in there are you actually eating or even want to eat? We have another refrigerator out inside of our garage, and that has pretty much all of our drinks. We do drink soda, we do drink bottled water. All of that is inside of the other refrigerator. So this is really just for food. So hopefully that helps a little bit. So what we're gonna do is every Wednesday, we're gonna go and clean out the refrigerator of the stuff that needs to go. And that's really going to help us because we're going to be able to know what is needed to be bought for groceries. Tomorrow, I'm actually going to show you how I go grocery shopping. And so definitely stick around for that. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said